Shri Vijay Sai Reddy.
Thank you, Vice Chairman, sir. You put it to. Sir, this bill of 65 of 2021, Mines and Minerals Development and Regulations Amendment Bill 2021, it should not be passed in its present form, sir. I request the Honorable Minister to kindly consider the suggestions if you feel that I am competent to make a suggestion to you, and then take a call whether this act without amendment should be passed or not. In fact, Ashwinji has elaborately spoken in support of the bill because you are part of the government. Sir, I would like to highlight, Vice Chairman, sir, certain infirmities and concerns insofar as this bill is concerned in the interest of the public, because I honestly feel it is pro-private sector and anti-public sector, and therefore could be construed as anti-people at large. Sir, I draw your kind attention to clause 4, amendment to section 4, which says the bill provides that the words private entities that may be notified. I would like to read this in verbatim. Other entities, including private entities, that may be notified for this purpose, subject to such conditions as may be specified by the central government, shall be substituted. Therefore, I honestly feel that this is definitely giving a boost to the private sector. I am not opposing government giving boost to the private sector, but not at the cost of the public sector undertakings, my lord. Sir, nothing in this act, nothing in this act to ensure that the mineral should be allocated to the government-owned entities. According to me, the first and top priority should be given to the public sector undertakings and not to the private sector. Sir, therefore, the amendment act, the bill should be suitably amended. First, to allocate the mines completely to the extent of requirements the public sector requires, and thereafter, if there are any mines that are still pending allocation, those mines can be allocated to the private sector. Sir, because for two reasons. There are so many public sector undertakings which are fulfilling the social responsibility and social obligations, and also providing employment to millions of people. But whereas the private sector, please, yes. Rameshji. Jairamji, please listen to me. I am supporting you only. Yes. Then why are you chit-chatting?
Please, Vijay Sai, please carry on.
Private sector is fulfilling the social obligation and also providing employment to the needy. And whereas private sector has the sole object of making profit while generating some employment. Therefore, priority should be given to public sector, and suitable amendments are required to be made in this regard, and I request the Honorable Minister to do so. Sir, the next point which I would like to highlight is the Finance Minister, Honorable Finance Minister, says that she will allow commercial mining on revenue sharing mechanism instead of regime of fixed rupee ton, and nearly 50 blocks will be up for bidding, and the government will invest 50,000 crores for building evacuation infrastructure. Sir, my suggestion in this regard, instead of allocating 50 blocks up for competitive bidding, why don't you give it to the public sector? 100% give it, 100% owned government undertakings. And thereafter, if there are remaining mines, those mines can be considered for putting them to auction. I would like to quote few examples, sir. I will not take much time because only
1
relevant points I'll
minute.
highlight.
1 minute में समाप्त.
Sir, I expect you to,
No, you
Give me some
I have given you 5 minutes now.
instead of restructuring, revamping and reviving the state-run public sector undertakings, what the government of India is doing right now is contemplating to privatize the public sector undertakings, which is not acceptable to the public at large. Sir, the government of India decision to privatize state-run PSUs, just like Vizag Steel Plant, I am giving an example. Vizag Steel Plant is a public sector undertaking with a capacity of 7.3 million capacity, and one of the Navaratnas, which the government of India is contemplating to privatize, and it is incurring losses for two reasons. One is it doesn't have captive mines, and second is it has got the debt burden of 20,000 crores on which 14% interest is being paid. And if these two concerns are addressed, and if loan that has been borrowed for
Thank you.
expansion of
Thank you,
20,000
Vijay.
crores.
Please
Sir,
conclude.
2 more minutes, sir.
Please, one
Please.
minute, 1 minute.
Sir, just because I am in the opposition,
Yes.
you can't deny me the
Your allotted
opportunity.
time is 5 minutes.
Sir.
You have already taken 7. No.
No, sir, please listen to me, because this is very important relating to the Andhra Pradesh.
1 minute. Please conclude.
So, these two concerns, government of India should give the captive mines to Vizag plant and also convert the equity debt into equity. Therefore, the loss-making unit will be converted into profit-making unit and privatization can be avoided. Sir, similarly, Coal India.
Thank you.
Coal India 17,000
Thank you,
crores
Vijay
due,
Saiji.
which
Thank you.
are due from the power producing
Please conclude.
plants.
Thank you.
So that is also not, sir, final point, Honorable Minister, please, this. Sir, this bill gives right at, very important point, sir. This bill gives a right to the central government to conduct the auction process of mineral concession if the state government is unable to complete the auction process within the specified time, the central government can do it. It is nothing but usurping the powers.
Thank you.
Usurping the power.
Thank you. Thank
Sir,
you.
One
Thank you,
question
Vijay
to the
Saiji.
Honorable
Thank you.
Minister. Sir, if,
Next speaker. Please.
Sir, for
conclude.
example, sir, one question, sir.
Thank you.
See,
Thank you.
Sir, in 7 years
Please
back,
conclude. Please
7 years
conclude.
back, AP Reorganization Act has been passed.
Next speaker.
And it has, the central government has taken 7 years.
Please,
and yet
please
to be
conclude.
complete.
Please conclude.
Vizag headquarters railway
speaker.
zone is yet to be completed.
Professor
Can the
Ramgopal
state-
Yadav ji.
Can the state
Please,
government take
please
over
conclude. Please conclude. Nothing will go in record now. Nothing will go in record. Only Professor Ramgopal Yadav ji.
And whereas separation of
Professor Ramgopal Yadav, please conclude.
Therefore,
Vijay Saiji, please conclude.
powers
Nothing will go in record. No, please.
usurped
No,
by the
please.
central government.
Please conclude.
Thank you very much.